Hello students, the last point that we have learned was the countable and uncountable nouns. Today we are going to revise the same point. Today we are going to see the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. See, for that I have made two columns, that is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. See the first point about the countable noun. The things that can be counted are the countable nouns. And the first point of a uncountable noun, the things that cannot be counted are the uncountable nouns. So this is the basic difference between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. See, for example, of countable noun, examples are pen, boy, book, girl, hair, star, etc. These are the examples of countable nouns. Can we count pens? Yes, we can count the pens in number. For example, 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 pens, 4 pens, and so on. Take the next example. Boy. Can we count boys? Yes. 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys, etc. So these are the examples of countable noun. The things that we can count are the countable nouns. See here the example of uncountable nouns. Water, milk, sugar, rice, money, honesty. These are the uncountable nouns. Can we say one water, two water, three waters? No, we can't say. Can we say one milk, two milk, three milk, four milks? No. So that's why they are the uncountable nouns. The things that we cannot be counted in numbers, they are the uncountable nouns. See the second difference. Common nouns are countable nouns. All the common nouns are the countable nouns. So what is meant by common noun? We have learnt already. Common nouns are the common names for persons, places, animals or things of the same kind. So here see the example pen. Pen means all the pens. Boy means all the boys. So these are the examples of common nouns and all the common nouns are the countable. We can count all the common nouns. That's why they are countable nouns. See the next point of uncountable nouns. Material or abstract nouns are uncountable nouns. So material noun we have seen already. Material noun is the name of a material out of which many things are made. So the things out of which we can make many things, these things are called material nouns. And see the next noun, abstract nouns, that we are going to see in the next lecture. Abstract means the things that we can't see, we can't smell, we can't taste, or we can't touch. So all these things are the abstract nouns. So material and abstract nouns are uncountable nouns. Take example. See here examples. Water, it is a material noun because from water we make many things. Milk, it is also material noun. Sugar, it is also material noun. Rice, material. Money and honesty. Money is also material and honesty, it is a abstract noun. Now see the next point. They have singular and plural form. Means the countable nouns have singular and plural forms. Singular means one and plural means more than one. Can we make the plural form of a pen? Yes, we can make the plural form of a pen by adding yes. That is pen, pens, bench, benches, hair, hairs. So The countable nouns have singular and plural forms. See the next point of uncountable nouns. They usually have only a singular form. They usually have only a singular form. Means uncountable noun, they are having only a singular form. We can't make its plural form. For example, take example of water. Water. Can we say waters? One water, two waters, three waters. No, we can't say. We can't make its plural. So, waters is not a correct answer. Next example. Rice. Can we say rices? No, it is also a wrong answer. Money, monies. No, we can't say monies. So, it is also not a plural form. Means the uncountable nouns, they don't have its plural forms. Now see the next point. We can add yes or es to the countable nouns. So here we have already seen that example. Pen, pens. Here in this sentence we have added yes here. Bench, benches. Here we have added es to it. Hair, hairs. Here we have added yes. That means we can add yes or es to the countable nouns. See the about the uncountable noun. We can't add yes or es to them. Yes, that we have learnt now. We can't say waters, we can't say rices, we can't say monies. So that's why we can't add yes or es to the uncountable nouns. See the next point. We can use the articles a or an before the uncountable nouns. See. Here I have given two examples. We can say a book, means a book. We have added here a article. An orange. So book and orange are the countable nouns. So that's why we have added a article or an article before them. So what we learned, that we can use the articles a or an before the countable nouns. We can't use the articles a or an before uncountable nouns. See here. Can we say a water? No, it is not right. We can't put a before the uncountable nouns, that is water. Can we say an honesty? No, we can't count honesty. So we can't use an article before honesty. So this is the basic difference between the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So we are having some debatable issues about the hairs, stars and money. So I am going to explain about these things. See the first point, that is of countable noun, hair. So some person says that hair is uncountable, some says that it is countable. So it is a debatable question or issue. It is same with the star and money also. So today I am going to clear that doubt. See the first, we will see the first one, that is of hair. Can we say or can we count hair? Yes, we can count the hairs. Suppose you are combing your hairs and some hairs fallen down. Can you count them? Yes, we can count them in numbers. We can say 1 hair, 2 hairs, 3 hairs, 4 hairs and so on. So hair is countable. Next point, we make its plural form also. we can say that hair, hairs also. See here, I have made its plural forms by adding yes also. We can say hair, hairs also. So it is a countable noun. The things that we can count are the countable nouns. So hair is a countable noun. So take the second example of countable noun, that is of star. Stars are also countable. See, suppose you are sitting in the balcony and it is a clear moonlit night and you can see the stars in the sky. Can you count them? Yes, we can count them, like 1 star, 2 stars, 10 stars, 20 stars, and so on. And we can make its plural also. We can make its plural by adding yes also. Star means 1 star and stars means more than 1. So star is also a countable noun. Now the debatable issue of uncountable noun is the money. So I'm going to clear your doubt also. See whether money is countable or uncountable, because we have put it in a uncountable noun. It is a uncountable noun. See here, money, we are talking about money here, not about rupee, paisa, coin, etc. Now see, rupee can be counted. Yes, we can say 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, etc. So rupees are countable. Paisa, yes, paisa is also a countable noun, because we can say 1 paisa, 2 paise, 3 paise, 10 paise, and so on. Coin also countable. We can say 1 coin, 2 coins, 3 coins, 4 coins. Note also countable. We can say 1 note, 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes. But we can't say 1 money, 2 money, 3 money, 4 money, and so on, because money is uncountable noun. That's why we can't count them in numbers. So that's why money is a uncountable nouns. So see students, what we have learnt today. We have learnt that countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Common nouns are the countable nouns. It has singular and plural form also. We can add yes or es to them. We can add or we can use a or an article before them. So it is all about the countable noun. See one more time. All the common nouns are the countable nouns. They are having singular and plural forms, and we can also make from plural to singular also. We can add yes or es to them, and we can use a or an article before countable or countable nouns. So it is all about the countable nouns. So what we have learnt about the uncountable nouns is that material and abstract nouns are the uncountable nouns. They are having only singular form. They don't have plural form. We can't add yes or es to them. We can't use a or an article before them. I hope you have understood the concept. So in the next video, we are going to see the examples of countable nouns and uncountable nouns.